Welcome, and follow me is a Google Pixel 4, and today I'll show you how to add and remove Google account. So before we begin, make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi, which I am, as you can see. And from there you want to go into the settings, scroll down till you find accounts right here. And I guess I'm going to begin with how to remove an account, considering I already am logged in. So to remove it, when you see the account that you want to remove, tap on it, and you'll have the option remove account. Tap on it, confirm it. Are you sure? Yep. And if you have some kind of protection like I do, as I have the pattern, I will need to confirm it. And there it is. Now it's completely gone. And if you want to add an account, you basically go to the same place. So I'm gonna go there again. Settings. Again, scroll down to accounts. And now tap on add account. Select Google. And put in your email address or phone number. Now, if you don't have a Google account but you want to add one, you can always create one right here. So I have one, so I'm going to use that one. And there it is. Tap on next. And I'm going to put in the password. And then tap on next again. And you will see the terms of service for Google. So you can tap on the blue text to read it. Once you want, you can just tap on I agree to confirm it. Then you also have the backup to Google Drive, and that is an optional thing you can enable or disable. What it allows you to do is any device with the same account will be able to have all of its data synced between multiple devices. So if, for instance, my HardReset.1 or HardReset.Info email is logged into another device, if I put in a contact on here or add some event to a calendar, the same info and contact will appear on the additional device. So that's how it works. Now you can disable that or enable that. Like I said, it's just your personal preference. Just gonna keep it as it is and tap on accept. And as you can see, there it is. There is the added account. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.